What's up, guys? I'm super excited about the Devslopes defense game. It's a 2D tower defense game, and we go over some really great stuff. I'm going to teach you how to manually set up a map using Unity's snap to grid tools. We go over enemy spawning, 2D animations, pathfinding, and even shooting projectiles. I even cover generics a little bit and how to use them in a super powerful way. We end the game off with some awesome sound effects, and I even teach you how to build the game so you can send the file to your friends and they can play it too. At the end of this section, you are going to create a fully functional 2D tower defense game that you can be proud of. You can even add your own custom tweaks to really make it your own. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys love this section.